Hi, Mark Seidelman here. This time I'd like to talk to you about the importance of purchasing insurance for your home, your furniture, and your possessions. We frequently get calls from potential clients who have either fire or water loss or burglary loss, and they have no insurance for their possessions. Uh, the first thing I usually ask potential clients is whether they have their own insurance. Today I had a case with a potential client, and I emphasize potential because we couldn't take his case. He said that he had in his possession an art collection. He didn't own the art, but it was lent to him by various people. And he said the art collection was about $9 million. He was having a vendetta with his landlord, and his landlord sent in some goons to rough him up and also vandalize the apartment. And in the course of doing that, the criminals destroyed or severely damaged almost all the art. So the first thing I asked the potential client was whether he had insurance, and the answer was no. So in this situation, we'd have to have some source or recourse against another party, such as the landlord. We'd have to show the landlord sent in these people or was responsible for these people. And unfortunately, we had no way of doing that because it had been reported to the police. Aside from all the art being destroyed, he was severely injured. But these are criminals, and there was no way to identify these people and no real concrete way to link them to the landlord. So I had to give this potential client the unfortunate response that we do in this situation, that I really have no way of getting a recovery for this person. So there was nothing I could really do. So I want to bring home and emphasize, you should have insurance for your home and possessions. If you have an art collection, coin collection, gun collection, you should have it insured, because if there's a fire, explosion, flood, or burglary, you might have no source of recovery. Of course, if you have such a loss, you should feel free to call us at any time. Thank you.